At Design Democracy, we wanted to create some art installations with some of our architect friends interpreting and seeing the world as they see. And our theme was reliving Indian Renaissance on the path of progress. And both of them, Koilika and Rudraksh, have given it their own twist. Koilika talks about sustainability and how conscious we need to be, and Rudraksh has interpreted a classical window into how innovation has evolved into becoming the fenestration it is today. Renaissance in India resulted in social and cultural awakenings inspired by the Western concepts for reason, equality, and liberty. It's a transitional movement that swept away medieval unprogressive ideas and replaced them with individualism, material emancipation, spectism, nationalism, a sounder economic system, and self-expression. It's a fresh start. The installation by Koilika is called Nature Triumphs, Impact of Our Actions on the Environment, and urges a collective commitment to preserving the delicate balance of life. Through these broken and discarded ceramic sanitary fixtures, she unveils a tapestry of possibility, illustrating that every choice towards sustainability weaves a brighter, more harmonious future for our planet. As visitors engage with the installation and witness the harmonious integration of living plants within it, they're prompted to consider their role as stewards of the earth. The thought-provoking experience seeks to inspire a collective commitment and sustainable practices, fostering a deeper connection with nature and a sense of responsibility towards the preservation of life in all its forms. An interesting installation done by Rudraksh Charan of 42mm Architecture, which is called Transfen. The installation, in collaboration with Alumil Windows, it represents the transformation of a window by using 40 distinct unfolded planes to reinterpret the elements of a classical window, ultimately giving birth to a more expansive and contemporary version. With each progressive plane, the window's aesthetics and functionality undergo a subtle yet significant alteration, progressively shedding the classical window's intricate mullions and transform to unveil a seamless and unobstructed view of the world. The installation draws its inspiration from contemporary architecture and the prevailing desire for transparency and connectivity, serving as a testament to the evolving nature. What was once a solitary window has now evolved into a much larger transparent fenestration, embodying innovation and technological progress by the means of slender and elongated components, as opposed to the solid symmetrical structure of yesteryears. It has transcended from being a mere window and has been to recreate a tangible representation of progress and a testament to the ongoing evolution of design and technology. In the essence, this installation serves as a celebratory ode to the evolution of fenestrations, symbolizing our ever-changing connection to the world beyond our walls. It has weathered the tests of time and emerged from its humble beginnings, remaining deeply rooted in its origins while embracing a new era of possibility, as said by Rudraksh himself.